So I hope everybody had a happy Christmas, a safe and enjoyable one with your friends and your family. But now it's back to work. I'm back to work, paying taxes. My staff is back to work. We live in a state that has some of the highest taxes, the most regulations, the number one state for people moving out because we're so unbusiness and retirement friendly. And all they do to politicians is shit on us over and over and over again. Again, we are on the bottom tier. The political class is on the top tier. Illegals and criminals are on the second tier. This is the year we're going to fight. I consider myself the tip of the spear in the 2A fight in the state of New Jersey. I will do whatever I can. I need you to support me too as well. Follow and like, as I've said before. Also come down to the range and say hi. Remember to support those that support you. I'm going to be fighting my ass off this year with our 2 lawsuits, and there's a lot more surprises to come. Make sure you listen to Gun for Hire Radio as well. Have a nice day.